Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Chuck, Executive Director at Central Counties Tourism, and thank you for joining me. In this training session, we are going to build the foundation of your very first AVTR1 experience. And when I say foundation, I mean foundation. So if you're sitting and thinking, oh geez, this sounds technical, don't worry. I promise we're going to keep this simple, practical, and most importantly, fun. You do not need to be technical. You do not need to be a designer, and you definitely do not need to be a programmer. If you can click buttons, type sentences, and drink coffee, you're already qualified. So before we jump in, what exactly are we building? We're building an avatar-led experience. Think of this as creating your own digital storyteller, an avatar that can speak, guide, educate, entertain, or create immersive experiences for your visitors. Whether you're a tourism destination, museum, brewery, attraction, event, hotel, trail, or any other business, the possibilities are honestly endless. And today we're going to take the very first steps together. So what are we going to do in this session? We'll quickly go over what we need to build an avatar experience. Look at 2 simple tools I recommend downloading. And then we'll build your very first avatar. Honestly, it's probably the most fun part of this whole experience. Before we start building, there are just 2 simple tools I recommend downloading. First, Audacity. This is a free tool we'll use to record and edit narration audio for our avatars. I'm using it right now to record this. Don't worry, if you've never used it before, we'll walk through it together later. Second, Subtitle Edit. This helps us create what's called an SRT file. Now, I know that sounds technical, but don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. The file basically helps us time caption and control the experience. These downloads only take a couple of minutes and will make the experience building process much easier for you. Now, before we jump into creating anything, let's quickly understand the 4 things that every AVTR experience needs. Think of this like baking a cake. You need ingredients, and every avatar experience has 4 ingredients. Ingredient number 1, the avatar. This is the personality of the experience. Your storyteller, your tour guide, your character, your mascot, or your brand representative. Ingredient number 2, narration. This becomes the voice of your avatar. Ingredient number 3, background music. Because silence is awkward. Music helps create emotion, atmosphere, and energy. And ingredient number 4, the SRT file. Now this one sounds scary, but I promise it isn't. Think of it as the brain behind the experience. It controls captions, timing, movement, animations, and tells the avatar what to do. So really, an avatar plus narration plus music plus an SRT file equals your AVTR1 experience. All right, enough talking. Let's actually build something. Step 1, creating your avatar. This is going to be fun. Take your time with it. Before you get started, you'll first need Streamoji access. To request setup, simply send an email to avtr1@centralcounties.ca. Once your request is processed, we'll send you a link. Go ahead and click the link. You'll land on the registration page. Simply click register, enter your email address, create a password, and done. This honestly takes about 30 seconds. Now log in using your email and password. And now, welcome to the fun zone. Think of this like creating a character in a video game. On the right-hand side, you'll see different customization options. Things like body type, face, hairstyle, clothing, accessories, and overall appearance. And this is where creativity kicks in. Ask yourself, who is my audience? What kind of personality am I creating? For example, if this is a museum experience, maybe you want a polished historical guide. If this is tourism or destination marketing, maybe a welcoming ambassador. If this is a family attraction or playful experience, maybe something more fun and energetic. And fair warning, This is usually where people lose track of time and suddenly realize they've spent 20 minutes choosing hairstyles. But that's okay. Have fun with it. There's no right or wrong here. Build something that feels authentic to your story or brand. Once you are happy with your avatar, make sure to click Save in the top right corner. This is important because saving means you'll always be able to come back later, edit your avatar, or improve it. Next, click Download. This downloads your avatar file, which we will later upload into AVTR1 while creating our experience. And don't stress if it's not perfect. You can always return and make changes later. The next time you log in, you will see all of your saved avatars. You can edit them, download them again, or continue refining your creations. And just a quick reminder, if at any stage you need help, we're here for you. Whether that's helping with script writing, audio, avatar creation, SRT files, or building the entire experience, we're always happy to support. You can find our fee-for-service chart on the AVTR1 website. And that's it. Congratulations, you've officially created your first AVTR1 avatar. Right now, your avatar probably looks amazing, but they're a little quiet. In our next session, we'll start giving them a voice by writing a script and recording narration. See you there.